In Forex, currencies are traded in pairs. The first currency in a pair, highlighted here in green, is called the base currency. The second currency in a pair, highlighted here in orange, is called the quote currency. The quote currency is sometimes referred to as the counter currency. The best way to understand base and quote currencies is in terms of exchange rates. An exchange rate of 1.1402, for example, would mean that 1 unit of base currency would cost 1.1402 units of quote currency. So, in this case, to own €1, the equivalent of 1.1402 US dollars is needed. And that's that. Stay tuned for other titles in this series. They're on the way.